Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lucky Basal from Digital Mastery YouTube channel where we talk about money making methods and ideas to make $100 a day in minimum. Today we are gonna talk about the OLSP system, or we can say OLSP Academy. It is the 2.0 version of OLSP system, and there are many updates. I have already made a video about OLSP system, but this is the new system 2.0 version of the OLSP system. So I want to share the few differences and few benefits you are gonna get with these systems. Here you can see my referrals. So far I've got 15 referrals yesterday, for 8 referrals today. It's a 2:47 time, and already get 8 referrals. 15 and 1 3 5 6. These are the referrals of mine. You can see commission. I have already earned $70. $14 is withdrawable requestable payment because I have already withdrawn $56 last time. Here you can see what you are gonna get with this new system. Let me show you. This is the training system you are gonna get with this new version of the OLSP system. I have completed unit 1 but not unit 2 because I'm mainly focusing on my study nowadays because my exam is near upcoming. And when you watch all this system and confirm, you will get it will unlock automatically the unit 3. Let's go to the leaderboard. Let's go to the dashboard. I'm sorry, it's a little bit slow internet connection. Here you can see I have got 472 unique clicks, not referrals. So far, this is my referral link. These are the points I have got so far. These points are used to get the benefits from the main leaderboard. Here you can see what benefit you are gonna get, the prize you are gonna get, and the many gifts you are gonna get if you come to the top 50. Here you can see this is $5 for the 50th position. Here you can see let me show you my mentor Rahim. Dominator is my mentor. He helped me to drive traffic with the system. If he is helping me, I will help you if you join through the link, my link. The link is the description below. Please make sure you have joined and attend all the trainings of the systems. And if you join through my link, you are gonna get TD Pace, which is automated system software that automating your social media and lead generation. This system and funnel membership system for free. Here you can see the mega funnel system. You will get the main mega funnel, how to use step by step, and the various trainings to promote this system. Now here you can see what you are gonna get with this system, and what are the difference between upgrade and the main. What are the difference between the upgrade and the free system. These are the benefits and commissions you are gonna get with free system. Free means you have not paid anything with this system. If you upgrade to the Dominator, you will get these bonuses because it's quite high bonuses with the Dominator. Definitely they will pay more if you pay them. That's the win-win situation. You only need 3 persons to join in your Dominator system to get it for free, because it costs $99 a month to join. And if you are planning to upgrade, please let me know with from. Let me show you. Okay, my this is the main outlook of this is the main dashboard of my teams. Here you can see the Dominator of my downline. Here you will see my name and my email and my Facebook profile, where you can contact me directly, and you can send the direct message to ask for a discounted price of the OLSP system, where you can upgrade with on only $47, not $99 for the first time. And as I already mentioned you, I'm busy on my study, so I'm not using this system so frequently. That's why the commission is low. And this is from the system itself, and I have used another system to get traffic. Let me show you that system. This system is called Empire. This is the Empire system, which cost only $1 to try for 14 days. You can join today to get uh, commi- you can join today to get this training system with only $1. You can see what you can get with this system. It is a very easy to use, implement, and you can get many more with that $1. Here you can see PM on your phone, viral engagement, $100, 1000 sales formula, landing page, viral promo post, engagement with friends. You can say so all the things you need to promote your system. And this system helped me a lot to get those traffic on the OLSP system. And it also has the very useful training you can watch. I will suggest to use both of this system to get maximized profit from both of the system. I'll link down all the links that are required you to get maximum profit with this system. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for the watching. Thank you so much for watching this video.